What's good, y'all? We back with another staple. We got another classic. We back with shrimp fried rice. A classic takeout meal or a classic meal prep like I'm gonna make it. So let's do it. Let's get to it.
Oh, down to me. I talk fast, let's talk money. I talk fast.
All right, y'all, so the first thing we're gonna do is get our shrimp marinated. We got 20 ounces of extra large raw shrimp that have been peeled and deveined. Please get rid of that because nobody wants to eat that. Now to marinate it, we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna just add some salt. We're dropping in 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we got 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're gonna get in there and get our hands dirty because we gotta get this shrimp fully coated. It's gonna make a coating around the shrimp. It's gonna give you that classic takeout flavor. Next up, we're gonna drop our marinated shrimp into a pot of boiling water. They should already be fully boiling and fully rolling. You're gonna let them boil for about 2 minutes. Anything longer than that, the shrimp is gonna get rubbery, and we don't want that. When you pull them out after 2 minutes, they should look something like this. You should actually be able to smell that takeout Chinese flavor. But we're just gonna pull these out and set them aside. Next up, we need a really large skillet or a pan. If you have a wok, that's preferred. I do have one, but for presentation purposes, I'm gonna use this. All right, now for the most important part, day-old rice. You need to have day-old rice, guys. That's a non-negotiable. If you really want that single grain rice in your fried rice, the best way to do that is to use day-old fried rice. Now, the first thing you want to do is heat the pan up to a high heat. This is going to go really fast, and you're going to be cooking on high the whole time. Now, we're going to take 1 cup or 170 grams of peas and carrots. You can also use whatever veggies you like, onions, bell peppers, anything you like, but I'm going to stay basic for everybody, and we're going to use peas and carrots. You're gonna just stir this around until your vegetables have sauteed and become more translucent and soft. Now we're gonna drop in 4 servings of day-old rice. Day-old rice, guys. It has to be day-old. While it's heating up in the pan, you wanna break up any clumps, but you don't wanna smash the rice. Just break it up. As it heats, it's gonna continue to release itself anyway, but you want single grain, you don't want clumps in here. Then once your rice is warmed up, we're gonna move it to the side and we're gonna drop in 4 servings or 184 grams of egg beaters. We're specifically using egg beaters and not eggs because we're trying to keep the calories down as much as we can, but keep the protein as high as we can. And this also does a great job at keeping that flavor. So on one side of the pan, the eggs are cooking and scrambling. On the other side of the pan, the rice is still warming itself up. Keep that spoon, that whisk, whatever the spatula you're using, keep it moving. Don't let anything stick in the pan. And once the eggs are fully scrambled, now you can give everything one big mix. Next up, we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce specifically. This is what's gonna give it that fried rice look and that flavor. So just go ahead and add that in. Now we're gonna take our cooked shrimp and we're gonna drop that into and go ahead and give that a good mix. And boom, now you got shrimp fried rice for meal prep.